Hello, friends. Today's story is called Grow, How We Get Food from Our Garden. Written by Carl Breckstrand and illustrated by Zanara. Outside my window, I see green leaves and light. My heart beats faster. Days like today make me smile. I love to work in my garden. Till and turn, hack and hoe, plow and plant, mulch and mow. January to June, harrow and weed. April to August, water and feed. Sow by row, graft and grow. I wanted to show you a picture of a harrow real quick. This is a harrow and it kind of brings up the ground in the winter months when they're not planting stuff to get it ready for spring. Thorny thorn, spiky spike, sticky sticker, prickly pine, pollinate, germinate, prune and trim, sprout and stem, twig and limb. Roots and shoots, stamen and seed, flower and fruit, wonderful deed. Bulb, blade, blossom, bloom, bud, bowl, bough, beet, bark, barb, branch, birch, briar, burr, butterfly, bee. Lots of bee words there. Rocks in my pockets, soil in my hair, mud in my nails, dirt everywhere. Did you know that spiders and bees are our friends? Spiders control pests that eat plants. Bees and butterflies pollinate plants as they make new plants. Clouds and wind, sun and showers. Stalks reach high, vines climb bowers. Ladybugs eat aphids. Ducks eat slugs. Goats eat weeds. Birds eat bugs. Petal, thistle, needle, nettle. It's like a tongue twister. Seed, spore, squash, spud, net, ear, pit, pod. Finally, it's harvest time. Harvest time is the time that you get to pick the plants that you've taken so much time to grow, and it's finally time to pick them and get them ready to eat. Basket, pail, crate, and bushel. Different kinds of containers that they put the fruit and vegetables in. Potatoes, tomatoes, pumpkins and peas, pansies, posies, petunias, poppies, apple, apricot, daisy and cherry, banana, broccoli, tulip, and berry. Pull, pick, peel, pluck, snap, snip, string, shuck. Onion, this is an onion. Oregano, turmeric, thyme, ginger, garlic, nutmeg and lime, paprika, pepper, pimento, parsley, cinnamon, cumin, curry, and chili. Eggplant, asparagus, artichoke, parsnip, tarragon, tuber, tulip, turnip, vanilla, leek, rosemary, melon, lettuce, licorice, lavender, lemon, black bean, pinto bean, navy bean, lima bean. celery, corn, carrot, cucumber, cabbage, spinach, zucchini, cauliflower, spearmint, sage, saffron, sassafras, grapefruit, grape, grain, and grass. Most grains come from grasses: barley, oat, rye, rice, and wheat. And behind you, here we see corn. Cayenne, currant, coriander, clove, radish, rhubarb, raspberry, rose, hazelnut, coconut, chestnut, walnut, pecan, pistachio, peanut, Brazil nut. You have a kumquat, a fig, avocado, a yam, and a kiwi. Chive, olive, dandelion, dillweed, mushroom, marshmallow, mustard seed. Wash, dress, heat, and eat. Earth, fire, wind, and water. Spring, summer, fall, winter. North, south, east, west. Tending a garden is the best. So those, was kind of like a poetry because it was rhyming, but it also told us about the different kinds of plants that grow, vegetables, fruits that grow. It talked a little bit about how they get the land ready and how they farm it and harvest it. So lots of words in this book. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.